Hey, that was a paw.
Winston.
Oh,
Look at this is going.
Maybe I don't look good. Good boy.
Good boy, bud. Good boy. Good boy. This is a good farm dog.
usually she's protective of that stick with other dogs. So
You see how Matt threw it? You see how Matt threw it?
Yeah.
You hold the bottom of it and toss it. Toss the bottom of it.
Okay. No.
You hold the bottom of it. Hold.
So how?
Watch how Matt does it. He holds the bottom, the very bottom of it, so you can catapult it out.
sit.
Winston.
Both of you.
Sit.
Sit down.
Winston.
Sit.
Sit. Hey,
Sit. Oh.
Winston. Sit.
Winston, sit. Winston's not going in anymore. He went in there all the way and then he realized what happened.